Hey there! Welcome back to Speak Easy English. I'm Luna.
And I'm Henry. We're so glad you're with us today.
In this series, we help you speak real English in everyday life, step by step, with simple phrases, real conversations, and stories from our own lives.
Today's topic is something that really helped me when I first came to North America, the library card.
Yes, a library card can do so much more than just borrow books.
In Canada and the US, your local library is more than a place for reading. You can get free internet, use a computer, attend events, and even borrow ebooks or movies.
And if you have kids, the library becomes a second home. Story time, crafts, learning, all for free.
But let's be honest, the first time walking into a library, it can feel overwhelming, especially if you don't know what to say.
Totally. When I first brought my daughter to the library, I didn't even know where the front desk was. I just followed another parent.
I remember holding my ID and whispering to myself, I want a card. I want a card over and over.
But that's where we start. One simple sentence is enough. We'll help you from there.
In this episode, we'll go through 6 real situations you might face at the library, from applying for a card to borrowing and returning books, and even using digital services.
And we'll share useful phrases and little tips from our own experience, because we've been there too.
If you're ready, let's begin.
You walk into the library, maybe with your child, and you see the front desk. What do you say?
Let's try it out together. I'll be the library staff.
And I'm the parent, maybe a little nervous, but trying my best.
Let's go. Hi there. How can I help you today?
I'd like to get a library card.
Sure. Do you have ID and proof of address?
Yes, here you go.
Great. Please fill out this short form.
Okay, do I need to pay anything?
Nope, it's completely free.
Oh, that's good. Do I get the card today?
Yes, I'll print it for you right now. Just a moment.
Awesome. Thank you.
Let's say some of those phrases again, nice and slow.
I'd like to get a library card.
This means you want to register at the library and use its services.
Do you have ID and proof of address?
The staff wants to see your name and where you live. Proof of address could be a bill, a lease, or something official with your address.
Do I need to pay anything?
They're telling you it's free. Most public libraries don't charge.
Do I get the card today?
Usually, yes. Many libraries will print it for you on the spot.
I brought my kid with me, and he kept asking, can we borrow books now, before I even got the card.
I remember forgetting what to say and just holding out my ID. The staff was really kind.
So you've got your new card. Now what? Like, can I use it right away? What does it actually do?
That's what I wondered too, actually. Libraries have so many services now, it's more than just books.
Right. Some people don't even know you can use computers or print stuff or join kids' programs.
Let's try a short example. I'll be the library staff again.
And I'll be the new parent with a lot of questions.
Sounds perfect. Let's do it. Hi there. How can I help you today?
Hi, I just got my library card. What can I do with this?
You can borrow books, use the internet, print documents, and join events or programs.
Can I use the computers too?
Yes, just sign in with your card number. We also have free Wi-Fi.
Oh, do you have books in other languages too, like Japanese?
Yes, we have books in many languages, including children's books.
Wow, that's amazing. Thank you.
Let's go over those phrases again, nice and slowly.
What can I do with this card?
This is a great sentence when you're not sure what's allowed or available.
Can I use the computers?
You're asking to work online, maybe check email or print something.
Do you have books in other languages?
That means you're looking for books in your home language, great for kids and adults.
I remember the first time I asked, I was surprised they had Japanese picture books and even ebooks.
Yeah, same here. I thought it was just books, but when I asked about printing, they showed me all these extras: music apps, language classes, even movies.
So now you're holding your library card, and maybe your child just picked out a picture book. You're ready to borrow it, but how?
Don't worry. You can go to the front desk or use a self-checkout machine. Either way, the steps are simple.
Let's try it out. I'll be the parent again, and you're the library staff.
Sounds good. Here we go. Hello. Would you like to check this book out?
Yes, please. It's my first time.
No problem. Can I see your library card?
Here you go.
Great. I'll scan your card and the book. That's it. The due date is in 2 weeks.
Okay. What if I forget the due date?
You'll get a reminder by email, or you can check online anytime.
Got it. Thanks.
Let's look at those key phrases one at a time.
I'd like to check this book out.
This means you want to borrow the book and take it home.
Can I see your library card?
The staff needs your card to scan it into the system.
What's the due date?
That means, when do I need to return this book?
What if I forget?
The library usually sends a reminder by email or on the library app. Some libraries also have a self-checkout machine. You just scan your card and the book by yourself.
I remember the first time I borrowed a book, I kept checking my bag like, do I really get to just take it home?
Same. I even asked twice, "Are you sure this is free?" It felt too good to be true.
So now you've borrowed some books, and your kids might be reading them 5 times a day. But what happens when the due date is coming?
You can return the books anytime before the due date. Just drop them off at the library, usually in a return bin near the entrance.
Or what if you want to keep the book longer?
Great question. You can renew it. That means you get more time before returning it.
Okay, let's do a quick example. I'll be the parent again, and you're the library staff.
Got it? Let's go. Hello. How can I help you?
Hi, I borrowed this book last week. Can I return it here?
Yes, you can just leave it in the return slot over there.
Okay, thanks. And this one, we're still reading it. Can I renew it?
Sure. Let me check. Yes, it's available. I've renewed it for another 2 weeks.
Awesome. Thank you.
Let's say those phrases again. Slow and easy.
Can I return this here?
You're asking where to give the book back.
Can I renew this book?
Renew means you want to keep the book longer and not return it yet.
How long is the renewal?
Usually the same as the original time, maybe 2 or 3 more weeks.
I remember once I returned a book 2 days late and I walked in like I was facing a judge.
I know that feeling. I said sorry to the return bin like it could hear me.
At least it didn't charge me extra. I think the bin forgave me.
It always does. The library's nicer than we think.
So now that you've borrowed some books, you might be wondering, what else can the library help with?
A lot, actually. Most libraries have way more than just books.
Like what?
Computers, printers, language classes, homework help, book clubs, movie nights, and even free access to online apps like Libby or Canopy.
That sounds amazing. Let's try a real conversation. I'm a parent looking for more services.
And I'll be the library staff again. Let's go. Hello, how can I help you?
Hi, I was wondering, can I print something here?
Yes, we have printers and computers you can use with your library card.
Oh, okay. Do you also have any programs for kids?
Definitely. We have story time, craft days, and sometimes even science events.
And what about language learning, like ESL?
Yes, we offer English classes, conversation circles, and access to language apps.
Wow, I had no idea.
Let's go over those phrases again. Slow and easy.
Can I print something here?
This means you want to use the printer. Many libraries let you print for free or a small fee.
Do you have any programs for kids?
You're asking about events or classes for children, like story time or crafts.
What about language learning?
That's asking if the library has help for English or other languages. Very useful for newcomers.
I remember one time I saw a sign that said free museum passes, and I actually stopped and whispered, "Wait, what?"
Right? I once came to print one page and left with DVDs, a kid's calendar, and a language app on my phone.
Honestly, the library's kind of a secret treasure box.
And that card in your wallet? It's the key.
All right, we've covered a lot today about using your library card.
Yeah, from getting the card to borrowing books, returning them, and even using other services.
And the best part? It's all free and open to everyone in the community.
Let's do a quick review of the key phrases we learned today.
I'd like to get a library card.
Do you have ID and proof of address?
Do I need to pay anything?
Can I borrow this book?
What's the due date?
Can I renew this book?
Do you have programs for kids?
What about language learning?
If some of these phrases are new to you, that's okay.
You can always listen again or practice one or two at a time.
And remember, no one speaks perfectly on their first try.
The important thing is to speak, to try, to ask.
You belong in the library. It's your space too.
And your card is more powerful than it looks.
Thanks for learning with us today.
This is Speakeasy English.
And we'll see you next time.